It's mid-2025, and you're preparing for your next off-grid adventure. You expect rugged gear, but what if your next smartwatch didn't just meet expectations, but shattered them? Today, leaked intel on Garmin's upcoming Fenix 8 Pro reveals a striking shift. A price cut at launch, backed by a serious arsenal of features that blend the classic Fenix toughness with modern luxury. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This isn't your standard firmware update with marginal tweaks. This is a reimagining, melding the rugged DNA of Garmin's Fenix lineage with premium components previously reserved for their Epic series. And now, it's sitting at a more accessible price point than ever imagined. Whether you're a hardcore trail runner, backcountry kayaker, or just someone who wants top-tier wearables, the Fenix 8 Pro could be the most compelling watch of the year. For years, Fenix users tolerated monochrome LCD screens, great for battery life, but outdated next to the flashy OLEDs of newer wearables. That changes in 2025. The Fenix 8 Pro ditches low-power LCD and introduces a vivid OLED display, taken straight from Garmin's Epic lineup. And no, this isn't just marketing hype, the transformation is stark. Maps appear vibrant and crisp, with legible topography and trail lines even under bright sun. Text and notifications pop with richer contrast. Colors remain clear and active in any lighting condition, even in the harsh midday glare of alpine mountains. What this means, instead of squinting to see your route, heart rate, or notifications, the display matches the best smartwatches while retaining Fenix's trademark battery stamina. It's the best of both worlds. Sure, the names Fenix and rugged go hand in hand, but Garmin amplified the military-grade spirit here. Physical buttons remain, now bolstered with waterproof seals and higher resistance membrane. No more issues with water ingress or sweat erosion. Touchscreen capabilities blend seamlessly with tactile controls. Tap for quick info or swipe through menus, perfect for slick beaches, muddy trails, or sub-zero winters. Around the delicate sensor lenses, heart rate and SpO2 modules, metal guard frames provide extra protection from impact and scratches. Result: a device that can withstand climbing, kayaking, snowboarding, whatever your adventure throws at it, while delivering responsive modern usability. Remember the integrated torch on the Fenix 7 Pro? Garmin doubled down. This bright LED bezel torch returns with strobe settings, useful in emergencies or when signaling team members at night. It doubles as a handy camping lantern, no need to strap on extra gear in your tent or bivvy. It's silly until you fumbled under a tarp at 3 a.m. with leaking headlamps. Garmin's including these thoughtful details again because they know who their audience is. Gone is the tease of sharp menus with choppy animation. Instead, the Fenix 8 Pro revamped its UI from the ground up. Navigating feels buttery smooth, with haptic feedback replacing mechanical button clicks. Touch gestures respond crisply with satisfying tactile output, think smartphone vibes, but built for harsh conditions. Notification panel slides in from the top, vibrant, interactive, reminiscent of mainstream smartwatch design. Android users can accept calls, reply inline, and see images. iPhone users get read-only but enriched notifications. Voice assistant support and onboard speaker/mic make calls directly from your wrist without pulling out your phone. Siri, Google Assistant, or